It's about 6:30 in the morning, and we are getting ready to pick some Fred Dora's Old Vine Petite Sirah and some Chenin Blanc, and we are ready to roll. Picking about 2 tons of Old Vine Petite Sirah. Now we're taking a little break in the back of the truck wagon, and we're going to pick a tiny bit of Chenin Blanc and then head to the winery. We are picking out the last bits of Chenin Blanc here, just kind of the edges of the vineyard. It's a little riper than we'd want if this was our only pick, but since our main pick was about 2 weeks ago, this will get blended in and give it a little bit more depth and thing to mention as well is we started getting a few raindrops a few minutes ago. Actually, you could see up over in the hills there were some showers. We've got a couple drops, but we're supposed to get a little bit of rain today and then some more on Monday. So we're glad we're getting this off now.